Welcome to everyone in this new video. Today we are going to see how we can integrate audio source in Unity. For first thing we have to add folder, call it sounds, and add the sounds from your from all the files that you have without copyright. If you support us on Patreon, you have free sound that way. Okay, import this. Sorry. Okay. This. Okay, we have a layer. Okay. This is the best format for the file. Okay. It's the same sound that before. Okay, override for iOS and override for Android, and okay, and for PC actually. Okay, perfect. Now create an empty, call it music, add an audio source. Perfect. And add a new script with these tips for do it early. Call it audio manage. Okay. Edit script. Loading. Close it. Now say public audio clip we can record it. Now public audio source, call it audio source, very simple, easy. Now in an update function you go if input get, we can say get the mouse button down. Okay. Now set arrow. Now in this in the update we have to say that when we click the button mouse we play the sound. So we have to set audio source.play. So audio source is play. We can say play on a week is for when we start, we play the sound. If invece we use play when click the button. So now amazing. Okay, return to Unity, see if we have some error. Any error? No error. Amazing. Okay, now seeing the audio source and the audio clip from our folder. Okay, see if it go. Sorry, I don't see this. Okay. Okay, these have a play on awake, so when we click play, the audio start. Every time we click, we play the sound. We can disable play on awake. So at the start we have sound and only when we click, or we can set loop without click the sound that goes click. Okay, amazing. You can find the files on our Patreon page. Please support us, and we see you in the next video. Thanks for the views. Bye.